Hello world and welcome to the Carnival Mardi Gras. I'm about to get the coolest coaster credit on the planet. Look behind me. Now look above me. We're about to do a roller coaster on a cruise ship. How sick is that? Let's walk around and look at it. Now I will say before we walk around and look at it, you can't bring cameras on the tracks. So we're gonna walk around, look at it, then I'm gonna ride it, and then I'm gonna talk about it. Future Brad here. I was editing the video and I realized that I didn't even say the name of the coaster. It's called Bolt Ultimate Sea Coaster. So there you have it. Let's get back to the video. Now this is the very first roller coaster ever made at sea. There are other, like, the sister ships of the Mardi Gras has this, but this was the very first one, and I think it happened in 2021. There they go. Now this roller coaster is 187 feet above the ocean, 800 feet long, and what's kind of unique about this is that you do get to control the speed of this coaster, up to 40 miles per hour. Now I think you get to make 2 laps, so we're gonna ride it and verify that. But guys, look at it here. The ocean's like right behind it, and it is on the back of the ship too, so when you're going around that side right there, you're almost hanging off the back of the ship. It's right above a pool, actually. So my gosh, what a view. This is the most unique roller coaster I've ever seen. I mean, there's not many roller coasters on cruise ships. Let me see how many roller coasters there are on cruise ships at all. Like I said, this was the first one ever built, but I don't think there's many in general at all. So yeah, there are currently only 3 roller coasters on cruise ships, and they are all on Carnival. So this is a very unique ride. Like, look up here behind me. It goes around like the Carnival fin. Can you see that? Yeah, there's the fin right there. It goes wrapping around that Carnival fin. Here's a shot of it wrapping around that fin and pulling into the station. I think another one's coming up here soon, but yeah, it goes right around that classic Carnival fin. I mean, I'm so pumped. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. This is the craziest roller coaster I've ever done, but let's hop on there and see what it's like. I think they said it lasts about a minute long, so I'm pumped up. This is so unique. Here's the rules on it. It's kind of hard to see, but you do have to make a reservation. And there's a height rule right here. Minimum 4'4", maximum 6'5". You gotta be at least 12 years old or be with someone 15 plus. Check the maximum weight, 300 pounds per rider, 440 pounds per vehicle. And there's the cart right there that we're gonna be on. Now, like I said, it does say you can control the speed. I don't really know how you do it, but I guess we're gonna find out, and I'll talk about it in a second. I did notice there's no like restraint on this, but I asked my wife and she said there's a seat belt. Oh, there is a seat belt. I see it on this side hanging off. You see that right there? So I guess we get a seat belt and that's it. Kind of fun, I like it. Heading up the stairs now. Look at this queue line. There's a huge queue line. So I guess at one point they didn't have reservations and you just got in line and waited. There he goes. Oh my gosh, it's so cool to see with the ocean behind it. But with this reservation system now, not a long wait at all. Such a cool experience. Only closed-toe shoes. No sunglasses or hats. The eyeglasses must have straps. No cameras or GoPros. That's what I was talking about earlier. All right, we just got off of it, and let me tell you, I've been on some intense roller coasters, and I'm not gonna say this one was the most intense. See it launch there? But I will say it was a lot more intense than what I thought it would be. About the time you reach there, you're probably about 180 feet above the sea level. And that is weird being that high up in the air. You can look around and see just ocean everywhere. Super cool ride and a very unique roller coaster. Very glad I got to get this done. Oh, there they go again. You do make 2 laps. I almost forgot to tell you that. I loved it though. Definitely worth, what did we pay for that? $15 a person. Yeah, it's currently $15 a person. It was well worth that price. Totally neat. I hope you all enjoyed it though. And with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed the video because I definitely enjoyed making it. This is a super cool experience, and I hope you all get to enjoy that as well. And remember, only on Carnival. So yeah, I don't know what else there is to say, but you definitely need to get outside, ride you a cruise ship one day, especially one with a roller coaster. Y'all, thanks for watching and thanks for playing. Bye, world.